Mail time. That is the next section of the show.
What, mail time?
Mail time.
Mail time?
The Ingaf Mail Time.
Okay.
This is not at all copied from a well-known YouTube channel.
Oh.
Mail time.
Mail time. Do you know anyone else that's ever done it? That's not where we got the idea from. Clearly did.
Clearly did. So I'm going to use this section of the show to briefly talk about some of the items that we've got sent this week or fortnight, however long the show is.
Yeah. I like the way you're explaining it to me.
Yeah.
What a mail time segment will consist of.
Okay, so there's this thing that we do. You know, like at the start of the show, I'll sometimes ask how you've been.
Yeah, I'm good, thanks. Yeah.
Yeah, but you're like, well, you know how I've been because I've been with you every day.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's that kind of fake. I explain it to you, but I know that you know, but it's for them.
Okay, I'll play along.
Yeah. So
mail time.
Yeah. So mail time. I thought we could use this segment of the show to briefly have a look at some of the items that manufacturers have sent us.
Yeah.
And just have a look at a first impression.
Reach into the package and see what's inside.
Yeah, let's empty our sack on the table.
Okay, let's go. And what's?
Well, what do you want to do first?
This is your segment.
How about this item from Rode?
Yes, I would like that.
The RodeCover Pro. The kind Australian friends of ours sent us.
If you don't show the thickness of the package, you could believe that we've just got a new
desk.
Yeah, whole new unit.
This isn't a new product, but it is new to us. A dust cover for the Rodecaster Pro. And Rode have released this as a separate product, an add-on to place on top, which is very good. It's very good of them to do that. My only question is, I'll say this, why is that not included with the Rodecaster Pro?
I noticed
as standard.
You haven't even opened it. Can I open it?
You can open it, yeah. Oh, he's got a knife in his pocket. Nice, okay. He's ready for this. This is when he cuts his thumb open.
Oh, dear. Oh. How am I meant to... I don't want to ruin the box. The problem is when you package something so nicely, I don't want to ruin it. There we go. It's coming unglued at that end. This end not so much. The reason I want to have a look at it is because the case shows it as a really nice plastic, and I'm hoping it really is.
I think it will be
thick plastic.
It's obviously a great addition to have to the Rodecaster Pro itself, but my kind of reservation, as I've said, you didn't want to ruin it.
I didn't want to ruin it, and I've managed to cut through it.
My only reservation is how much is it, and why is it a separate product and not just included in the box with the Rode? Because it's just a dust cover. This is exciting.
I've properly ripped open the box here, so sorry about that.
Okay, yeah.
But
for the listeners, Pete is delicately opening this box. It's not delicate at all.
It's quite rigid. Oh, mate, that looks nice.
Okay, yeah.
It's not what I thought it was at all.
It's solid bit of plastic.
Do you know what this is?
What?
It's the bit of plastic that you normally get with a package that it's enclosed in.
Yeah.
Like it's a bit of packaging.
Yes.
But someone at Rode went, do you know what would be really cool? If we made that in a rigid plastic, we could use it as a case. Look, it doesn't affect any of the dials. You can't knock any of the dials. Everything is now set up.
That's actually quite cool. That'd be fair.
You can't accidentally... There's no paperwork in there.
No need. No manual. Okay.
You need to know how to do anything.
RodeCover Pro, your guess on price is?
I'm going to say, well, it's Rode, first of all, so it's like a top-end brand, as far as I'm concerned.
Yeah, there's gold foil on the box.
It's gold foil. I'm going to say it's about 20 quid.
£45.
Yeah.
I'll be honest.
I didn't expect it to be that high. Now I need to really look at it. Okay, look at how their logo is put onto the case.
It's UV printed.
It's not
on the back.
On the back, on the inside, so you can't even scratch it off when you clean it. That's thinking.
Yeah. Okay. So my point is that's a vacuum molded bit of plastic
that says Rode on it
for £45.
Okay, you would have to be a Rode fan to buy it, but look how cool the desk looks with that on.
No, it is cool, no doubt about it. But it should just come in the box with the desk.
Okay. Well, the package now is £45 more expensive. How about that?
This costs 10% of the desk.
How cool do you want it to look?
Okay.
It looks cool.
Yeah.
Imagine if you had some LEDs with that as well. It'd really kick it off.
Yeah. Problem is, though, I can't press the buttons.
I think that's the idea. Don't press the buttons. If you're someone that doesn't like upsetting where you've got all your volumes, it's just perfectly dialed in.
It's designed for using it when you're not using the desk to keep dust out. That's literally its purpose. It's a dust cover.
Yeah, I know that. I was going to put it on at the end of the show.
Oh, it looks like you wanted it on during the show.
Well, I like it on there as well.
Okay, yeah, Rodecaster Pro and Pete's Epic Scale.
I would give that a 1 Epic. I like it.
Yeah, I like it.
I'd certainly appreciate it when it comes to cleaning it, because the last thing you want is dust in amongst dials and things.
Yeah, it just gets noisy.
Just causes a problem.
Yeah.
So it's essential, AJ.
Okay. Here's one that you won't be able to unbox that they also sent us. It is the Rode PSA1 Plus, which is their new boom arm.
Tell you something about this.
You've already had a look at it. We've taken it out once.
Yeah, so you've obviously noticed.
Yeah, I've noticed.
Yeah. So the other morning when this arrived,
yes,
I had the opportunity to look inside the box.
Yeah, and what did you find?
It's wrapped in like a wetsuit.
Yes, it is.
It's incredibly cool and very weighty. This is the essential for everyone, I think, that is now working from home.
Oh, yeah.
And not for everyone. It's only essential for those that are working from home doing like Zoom or team meets and want to look like a really cool DJ.
Yeah, so it's a professional studio boom arm. I've got the version before, the PSA1, for the desk tutorial stuff. Really great arm, lovely action. You can move at any point and it will always hold its form as long as you're not really overweighted. Really great design. Clamp fits to your table, or you can drill fit it if you want to. Works with most microphones. It doesn't... it does work with the SM7B. I've not had to extend the tube, I don't think. Anyway, it works with most microphones pretty well. They've just updated it. They've improved the movement, the springs, and as you say, they've included a sock of some kind to cover these arms up with.
Cover your cables.
It's a great product.
Tuck your cables in.
Yeah, I'll be interested to.
I really like
it in a bit more
Again,
detail.
the one thing that is very apparent is it's Rode standard.
Yeah.
So you know what to expect when it comes to quality.
Yeah, totally.
It's Pro Gear.
Yeah. So
Pro Gear, but without the Pro price.
Well, £45 for a bit of plastic.
Yeah, I know you think that, but I don't think people think that's expensive, do they?
I think they would. Yeah. Well, I don't know. It seems a lot. Yeah. Anyway, moving on. There's another thing that's been sent to us.
There is. I'm going to reach for this one.
Yeah, do it. I
bring into shot the Panasonic object of beauty, the BS1H.
That's right. B for
beautiful.
The BS for
beautiful
sight
to behold.
Yes.
The B for box.
The B for box. That's right.
It's the Panasonic box camera.
Yeah.
And I've got to say, it looks and feels incredible.
Yes.
Really pleased to be sent this from Panasonic.
It intrigued me about it. Now, for those of you who are interested, we are going to do a more in-depth look at this. This is just us talking about what's arrived, and we'll show you some test footage probably next week. The thing that's really surprised me is how small the body actually is. It's like palm-sized. In fact, it's almost identical in size to the BG one that they released, which is a Micro Four Thirds sensor. But this has got the full frame sensor from the S1H in it. In fact, it is an S1H just in a box.
That's totally what it is.
And we love the S1H. So
it's a great camera to be sent.
Yeah, we don't get to keep it. They've just sent it to us to cover. We don't have any L mount glass, so we've adapted it with a Sigma EF to L an adapter. And yes, that is the rehoused iron glass Helios 44-2 on there, which is absolutely gorgeous. Although, not a particularly practical lens for this camera unless you have a follow focus gear.
Yeah.
Which we don't.
But you can guarantee we're going to shoot some very arty footage with that.
Yeah.
Have a little play.
Yes.
And I'm quite looking forward to sharing that.
Yeah, so I've done some preliminary test shots and stuff just to get used to how getting it set up and rigging it and stuff. And first reactions are it's not a quick camera to use. It's not run and gun. It takes a little bit of time, but totally worth the effort, if that makes sense.
Yeah, I think you're going to have to give that a whole segment.
Yeah, it's good.
There's so many things about that. The pros, the cons. There's so many things to cover it on that particular camera.
Yeah.
But it's a very exciting bit of kit.
Yeah. And for those of you that love box cameras or into filmmaking, you know how riggable they are. It's got all the thread adapters around the outside. It is the brains of a more fully formed cinema or filmmaking rig. And that's the type of camera we've actually covered quite a lot over the years. So I'm looking forward to seeing what comes out from this. And you're taking it out this weekend to do some filming?
Yeah. I think people will be quite interested in this. It's not going to be for everyone.
Definitely not. Definitely not.
If you like just grabbing a camera off the shelf and going out and shooting stuff, this isn't for you. There's not even a screen on it. Everything about this is to be rigged.
Yeah. I would say straight away they could have put a settings screen on there like there is on the top of the S1H, the little dial LCD.
Just to help you out a little bit.
Yeah. But they didn't, because I guess it was about stripping stuff off.
You literally get the box.
It's literally just the brain. Yeah.
Yeah. So not going to be for everyone, but I think it's going to be really fun to play around with and show you what we managed to get with it. So that is the BS1H from Mail Time.
That is the Ingaf Mail Time.
Have you got anything else?
No.
Nothing.
Nothing else.
Okay.
No, nothing else was sent.
Interesting segment.
Oh.
Very varied.
You sound a bit disappointed.
Oh, I was hoping for a surprise. But
this T-shirt came in the post.
Tell you what else went out in the post today.
Yeah. Competition
winner.
Oh, yes. Helen something. I can't remember her surname.
You didn't even give a surname.
Just Helen. That's right. She didn't give her surname.
She didn't give us her surname because I know that because the post went out today.
Ooh.
And it just says, for attention of Helen. Obviously, then it's followed by the address, but
we don't just put it in the post box and go Helen, and hope that it gets there. It's not like Santa Claus.
So that's the end of that competition.
Another one of your microphones gone.
Sad times.
Don't worry, we'll do another competition really soon.
Dual direction microphone as well.
Yeah, it was quite a good one actually.
Unique.
I think it's like 200 quid.
Comica.
Track shot.
Stereo.
Dual mono really microphone.
Yeah.
Very exciting. So do you want to end the show? Do you want to do it?
Yeah.
Go on then.
You press the button for me then. Just give me some tunes.
Are you ready for this? Let's go for this.
So that's been the end of the show.
Oh, sound more excited.
Okay.
Ready?
So that's all from us for this week. This is my radio DJ voice trying to keep pace with the music. And aren't I doing well?
He is doing very well.
No, that's it, guys. It's been a fun show with many segments. Thank you to Nikon for finally producing their camera, Canon with some very interesting news, and Fuji, who came twice.
Yes, and if you like coming twice, make sure you like, comment and subscribe wherever you find us, and keep up to date with us at our website, and that's 120fps.co.uk.
Yeah, obviously don't forget we've got the newsletter, we've got the podcast channels, and we've got the YouTube channels, and there's loads of places and stuff. And thanks and bye.
Bye.